Ryan Little.
Japan.
Hey girl, period. If you're new here, my name is Misalaraine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. In today's video, I will be installing this wig from Wiggins Hair. This wig is a 24-inch, 13x4, 200% density HD lace, loose deep wave wig, and I wanted to show you this wig in its natural texture before I styled it. Super easy to work with, very low maintenance, and very good quality hair when it's taken care of. This is the hairline after I washed, bleached, plucked, and hot combed it. I did the ball cap method off camera as always. We see it numerous amounts of different times, but I'm starting off by cutting the ear tabs off in order to fit the wig to my head and start placing the glue down. I did 2 coats of Ghost Bonds off camera because the tube was giving me a really hard time and I think there was like dried up glue on it inside, but whatever. I will be applying the glue down to my hairline, halfway on top of the ball cap and then halfway on top of my skin. I'm using the ends of my edge brush to smooth out the glue, and then I will be blow drying this layer for about 30 seconds on the cool setting. I cut the lace in sections to make it easier for me to apply the lace on top of the layers of the glue, and then I took my comb and pressed each section of lace into the glue. I missed a couple pieces of the lace, so I went back and applied a small amount of glue and pulled the lace onto it. And then I continued to press the lace down while blow drying for another 30 to 40 seconds. Alright, so now I'm going back and forth with the razor and my scissors. And with the razor, I'm pressing it down onto the lace to cut in some areas, and then I'm cutting a zigzag with my scissors so that it's not a blunt line and it blends a little better onto my skin, if that makes sense.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
I'm sectioning my baby hairs and hot combing the hair flat so that it's neat and I don't have to worry about any extra hairs in the way. And there's an even amount of baby hairs on both sides for when I smooth out the hairline, put some mousse, holding spray, and pluck out extra hairs to make the hairline more realistic, and melt the lace with my elastic band.
Ryan Little.
Now I'm curling the baby hairs and cutting my signboard pieces to make it easier for me to work with them. The install and styling part of wigs are getting easier for me, but the baby hairs is a different story. But this method really helps because it molds the hairs in place. All you have to do is put some mousse or gel and swoop them. I'm going to finish up my baby hairs and then wet my hair and swoop it to the side a little bit, and then I will come back and show you guys the finished product.
Ryan Little.
Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to check out Wiggins' hair. The link is in the description box, as well as on my social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Keep on feeling, but you can't break my broken heart.